In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create your own cryptocurrency wallet called Payeer. First, click the link in the description to go to the official website. Click Create Account. Enter your email address. A confirmation code will be sent to your email. Copy and paste the code and click Create Account. You can change your password now or leave it as it is. It is very important to save all the credentials to a safe place. Your account number is basically the number of your wallet. Here you can exchange or transfer your money. You can also trade any currency you want. Thanks for watching.